Hey, I like your hair. Who does your hair? I want to go there. Hey. A willow tree. Flashing lights.
Let's go see the people. Oh, I'm a high school pimp. Oh, really?
Is that your house? I like your hair. I want to go there.
It's the TV of wisdom.
Hey, that's your hair. I like your hair.
Put it off.
No, something got stuck in there.
No, cut it off.
I love your hair.
I want to go there.
No, don't see me. I'm scared of that car now.
Why are you scared of it?
I don't know my car.
It's real. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? I see you.
I don't like that car.
Let's do random dumping.
Let's go run.